What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Otisha. If this is your first time here, I want to tell you thank you for stopping by, and I'm going to also invite you to stay, okay? The subscribe button is going to be down below. That way you can click that little button and the bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. Today I have a new makeup palette. Y'all, my mom is quite possibly like the cutest person in the world. She bought me this palette by, I think, Chanel Incorporated. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I believe it's Black owned, and I'm super excited to give it a try. So if you're interested in seeing what we come up with today, these colors, as you can see, are super vibrant. This is putting me in the mood of my Morphe 35B palette, which is discontinued. So if you need an alternative, you're welcome. Okay, we're gonna just jump right in. All right, so I'm just starting off with my base. I'm using my P. Louise bases in number 5 and 7, and I'm just using it on a beauty sponge to place it on my eye. As always, I start with prep, and I always base my eye just because I feel like it gives me the best outcome. So I'm gonna blend / buff that in. And I'm gonna jump right into my transition shade. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for today, but for some reason these colors are calling me. And then it's green and it's like neon yellow. I'm feeling it. So I think I'm gonna start with the dark purple first on a fluffy brush. This is an e.l.f. Blending brush. And I'm just gonna go straight in my crease with that color. Doing, you guys, is my normal taking the color and like patting it on first before I do any blending, and I'm just bringing this color all the way in. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything today, but I do want to do something that's kind of sultry but wearable and still colorful. So we'll see what we come up with. I think I'm pretty satisfied with the opacity of that. These colors so far are pretty pigmented. This purple's a bit patchy, but you can't really tell. All you gotta do is blend and build the color. Once I've gotten the opacity that I'm okay with, I'm gonna go in with my second color on a round blender brush. This is the Morphe E17. I think I'm gonna go right into this like neon magenta color. And I'm gonna put that right around the edges of the purple. And I'm gonna start by placing that on. This color has a lot of kickback fallout, but I think it's still gonna look pretty. I'm doing my best to kind of keep this color as low as I can. I'm gonna go in and build up these colors by just taking a little bit of product at a time and adding that on to my eyelid. You know, I just thought of, which one of your eyes always comes out better? I mean, or is it just me? Comment down below which one you usually do better on. I think mine is my left eye, and I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed or what, but it always seems to come out cuter for some reason. Okay. Once the pink is on, I'm gonna go in with another shade. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this bright orange here. I'm gonna take that on another round blender brush. I'm gonna use this brush by My Makeup. It's a tapered blending brush. And I'm just gonna get that orange nicely saturated on the brush head and go around the edges of the pink. And once you've got all your colors on your lid, just basically go back in with each color and build on it until it's to the desired opacity. And then you should end up with something similar to this. So next thing I'm gonna do is take a green color. I like this one here. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use that for my lid shape. But because I have like a bit of purple there, I'm going to have to add a little bit more base. So I'm gonna take my Rumor number 7 base on a Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. This brush is kind of fluffy, so that's why I chose to use this one. And I'm just getting a little bit of space on my eyelid, like I said, for my lid color. Then to apply the color, I'm just going to use a e.l.f. Eyeshadow brush. And again, I'm using this green here. It's kind of foresty green, but I don't know how to describe it. It's really cute. Just gonna take that and pack that all over the lid. Oh my gosh, y'all, this green is so cute. Like, I cannot get over it. So I'm going to go back into all my previous colors. I'm just gonna go in and lightly blend everything. Once I'm done blending, I will go ahead and apply my liner, lashes, and all that jazz off camera. I have a whole dedicated video to how I do my eyeliner, how I do my eyelashes, so I try to edit out as much as I can in my videos so they're not too long for you guys. And once I've gotten those on, I'll probably do face off camera too, because I mean, I have a video also dedicated to that. And I'll be back to finish up the rest of the eye. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. You know, face is looking cute, okay? I'm filling my eyes, so I'm gonna move on to finish the bottom lash line. I'm debating glitter and all the things, but I'm gonna try to keep it simple-ish. I think I'm gonna go in with the green on the lower lash line, like right here in the front, and then I'm gonna smoke it out with the purple. Now that my lower lash line is complete, I want to go in and change my wing liner to a glitter liner. So I'm going to take this stack of glitters. I picked this up long ago from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to use this Arcade by Kiss Eye Bling. This is a glitter eyeliner in Glitz and Black. I'm just going to use that to use as my adhesive and then go straight into my black glitter. As I'm editing the video, I do want to say that if you do recreate this, make sure you go in with your glitter liner before applying your lashes, because as you'll see in the video, I end up making this lash kind of fall off and lose some of its adhesive. So if you do, like I said, recreate this, make sure you go in with glitter liner first. All right, so I finished my other eye off camera, and then I just went in being extra, okay? So I took these Rhinestones. It's some Swarovski like crystals that I've had just hanging around. They're black. I went in, I just added 3 onto my lash line, if you can see that, just to give the eye just a little bit more like sparkle, dimension, extraness, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. To apply them, I just went in with my lash glue. This is the 3D adhesive Mega Hold Lash Adhesive in clear. And I really just went in and made a little dot. I take some tweezers and the actual crystal. All right, and to finally finish up the eye, I'm gonna go back into the palette for this neon like yellow color right here on a pointed blender brush. It's just like a crease brush, and I'm going to plop that right on my inner corner. That is really cute. Going with my lips now. This is the Southern Beauty liquid lipstick. This is Fearless. It's like a nudie, not nudie, rusty kind of brown. And then I'm gonna top it with this Honey Bunny color by Ruby Kisses because I want a light peachy lip. All right, so this is not as light as I had hoped it would be, so I'm gonna go in and top it again with Wet n Wild's Nudie Patootie. This is like a muted nude color, and when you add it on top of orange, give me a really nice peach. Okay, this is more of the color that I was going for, so I'm gonna finish up by just misting my face one more time, and then I'm gonna take my hair out of the bun, y'all, and we're done. And this look is very extra. This look is perfect for like a birthday, if you're going out with your girls, because we got to prepare for the world to open back up. So I got you, girl, on your look. This is it. You got to be extra. You got to slay. So I hope that this video was enjoyable to you. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave a comment below. And if you have any requests, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section. And until then, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.